Welcome to Academic Gain Tutorials. In this video, we will discuss about the difference between bank dividends and insurance dividends. Number 1. Bank dividends are dividends paid by banking institutions from profits generated through lending, deposits, fees, and financial services, whereas insurance dividends are dividends paid by insurance companies from profits generated through underwriting, premiums, investments, and insurance operations. Number 2. Bank dividends come from the banking sector, including commercial, retail, and investment banks, whereas insurance dividends come from the insurance sector, including life, health, property, and casualty insurers. Number 3. Bank dividends are often supported by net interest income, loan activity, and service fees, whereas insurance dividends are often supported by premium income, underwriting results, and investment returns. Number 4. Bank dividends are more sensitive to credit cycles, loan demand, and interest rate spreads, whereas insurance dividends are more sensitive to claims trends, catastrophe exposure, and underwriting discipline. Number 5. Bank dividends can be dependable but may fluctuate more during banking stress or credit events, whereas insurance dividends are often dependable when underwriting is disciplined and reserves are strong. Number 6. Bank dividends often offer moderate dividend yields with income appeal, whereas insurance dividends often offer low to moderate yields depending on insurer type and profitability. Number 7. Bank dividend growth often follows economic expansion, earnings strength, and capital position, whereas insurance dividend growth often reflects stable underwriting performance and long-term capital management. Number 8. Bank dividends are usually more exposed to recessions, defaults, and financial system stress, whereas insurance dividends are usually affected by claim cycles and disasters but not always in the same way as banks. Number 9. Bank dividends are often strongly influenced by interest rate changes because margins depend on lending spreads, whereas insurance dividends are also affected by rate changes, especially through bond portfolios and investment income. Number 10. Bank dividends generally carry credit risk, regulatory risk, and balance sheet sensitivity, whereas insurance dividends generally carry underwriting risk, reserve risk, and catastrophe-related risk. Number 11. Bank dividends are heavily influenced by banking regulation, capital ratios, and stress testing, whereas insurance dividends are heavily influenced by insurance regulation, solvency rules, and reserve requirements. Number 12. Bank dividends are popular with investors seeking financial sector income and economic recovery upside, whereas insurance dividends are popular with investors seeking steady financial sector exposure with business diversification. Number 13. Bank dividend share prices can be more reactive during credit stress or banking uncertainty, whereas insurance dividend share prices may react more to catastrophe losses, reserve changes, or pricing cycles. Number 14. Bank dividends are useful for dividend portfolios seeking income plus economic and rate cycle exposure, whereas insurance dividends are useful for dividend portfolios seeking income plus exposure to underwriting and long-term capital growth. Number 15. Bank dividends are best known for financial sector income tied to banking conditions and interest rates, whereas insurance dividends are best known for income supported by insurance operations, reserves, and investment discipline. In summary, bank dividends are closely linked to lending conditions, credit quality, and interest rates, whereas insurance dividends are more closely linked to underwriting strength, reserve management, claims experience, and investment performance. If this lecture was helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.